interested to this finger play and tried to imitate it. So I was at once interested in this finger. So the finger play on the hand of Helen, the teacher has written with her hand D-O-L-L. So the touch with her skin, she felt that she can't see, right? So she can feel it. So she felt this was a game. She felt that the game is interesting. When I succeeded in making the letters correctly, so the game, whatever, see, studies, if you think that it's very interesting, you can do. When you play, you feel that the game is very interesting and you play very nicely, you involve in it. But when your mother says, come on, take out your book, without interest you open and the knowledge doesn't go into your brain. That means any work you have to do with interest. This girl, when the teacher has written on her hand D-O-L-L, she felt this game, it is a game very interesting. Immediately she started doing that and she learned as many words. I was flushed with childish pleasure and pride. This girl is after 7 years also she didn't complete. 3 more months time is there to complete 7 years. So I was flushed with childish pleasure. So a child, a kid, how they will be? Full of happiness. And she was very proud it seems. Running downstairs to my mother, I held up my hand and made the letters for doll. So she went to her mother immediately downstairs and on mother's hand she started writing D-O-L-L doll letters. I did not know that I was spelling the word or even that word existed. She doesn't know that word is there. But without knowing she was writing. I was simply making my fingers go in monkey-like imitation. How monkeys will be doing? So like that, this girl was thinking she was playing. In the days that followed, I learned to spell a great many words. In the coming days, she learned so many words. Among them, those were pin, P-I-N pin, H-A-T hat, C-U-P cup and a few verbs like sit, stand and walk. These are the words that she learned in the coming days. However, my teacher had been with me several weeks before I understood that everything has a name. So, many days it took to Helen to understand that every article has a different name. Till then she doesn't know because she didn't see. If we see, we'll ask. If we see a new thing, we'll ask Mama what is this, isn't it? Mama will give that name. It is so and so or it is something. Then onwards we'll start using that name. Here this girl is blind, she can't see, so she didn't know that there are names for each and everything. One day, while I was playing with the new doll, Miss Sullivan put my big rag doll into my lap also, spelled doll. One more big doll she kept on my lap and that letter, that word also D-O-L-L only she has written, the teacher. The teacher has written on this girl's hand and tried to make me understand that D-O-L-L applied to both. She made me to understand the before one D-O-L-L. This is also D-O-L-L. That means what did she understand? Earlier in the day we had a tussle over the words M-U-G and W-A-T-E-R. So teacher is trying to teach that one word can be used for different dolls, isn't it? So the earlier in the morning the teacher was trying to teach M-U-G, W-A-T-E-R, mug and water. Miss Sullivan had tried to impress upon me that mug is M-U-G is mug and W-A-T-E-R is water. She was trying to teach the spelling of mug and water. But I continued to confuse the two. But this girl, it's new for her. D-O-L-L means one word the teacher taught, she understood. But now M-U-G, W-A-T-E-R. This girl was confused to learn. In despair, so she thought that I am hopeless, I can't learn. She doesn't have any hope to learn. She felt that it's very difficult. In despair, she dropped the subject for a while, only to bring it up again later. The teacher thought, okay, this will stop here because why to confuse the girl more? So next day we wanted to teach, she thought. I became impatient and at her repeated attempts because this girl was thinking, Again and again the teacher was trying to teach the same MUG and WATER. This girl was, you all students, if we say write one time, you will write very fast. If we say write 10 times, you will also become, you will think, what is this teacher is giving imposition. So like that, even Helen also like you, she became, Mom, this teacher is again and again, she is teaching me the same thing she taught. And seizing the new doll, I threw it on the floor. She got anger. How can she show the anger? So she threw the doll on the floor. I was both happy and furious when I felt the fragments of the broken doll at my feet. When she has thrown the doll broke. When all the fragments were coming and touching her feet, then she was happy. I have broken a doll. You will also do something, no? You'll throw the books, you'll throw the bag. If your mother says something, you'll be frustrated. So in that she has shown her frustration. Neither sorrow nor regret followed my passionate outburst. She was very, what we call, she is not having any regrets. Why I have thrown the doll. She didn't think, after once done. I have thrown the doll, that's it. No regrets. Or I lost my doll is broken. So no such regrets. She is not thinking back, and no sadness also. I had not loved the doll. She is thinking that I didn't love the doll, that's why I have thrown. Not a problem. In the still, everything was silent. Still means nothing is moving. Dark world. She is blind, no? Everything will be dark, either day or night, it will be dark. So, in this silence, in which I lived, there were not strong feelings of tenderness. So, she didn't face any strong feelings till now. She is a very small girl, tender age. She didn't have that much strong feelings to things attached to her. I felt my teacher sweep the fragments to one side of the room. She felt that the teacher has swept all the fragments, small pieces of the doll to one corner of her room. And I had a sense of satisfaction that the cause of my discomfort was removed. So, till now she was not interested to learn those 2 new words. So the teacher didn't say anything. She felt that, my discomfort is removed. The teacher is not teaching again and again. She brought me my hat, and I knew I was going out into the warm sunshine. So the teacher brought her hat. Whose hat? Helen's hat. These foreigners, they keep hats and they go out whenever they go. So that is their culture. So she understood that we are going to outside. We are going into the sun. So that's why the hat was brought. This thought made me hop and skip with pleasure. When children are taken out, if we say read, you will feel very sad. But when we say that we are going for any entertainment park or amusement park or something, you feel so happy. If we say to read for half an hour, you will say my legs are paining, my hands are paining, alright, Baba, this much time how to read. If I say morning till evening you play with, you will say, alright, I have done, I got it. So, playing whole day, it's easy thing for you. So, this girl also, when she knew that they are going out, she felt so happy like you. We walked down the path to the well house, attracted by the fragrance of the honeysuckle. She can smell. So, nice smell is coming, with which it was covered. Someone was drawing water. So there was a well is there. Someone was drawing water, and my teacher placed my hand under the spout. The spout will be there, the entrance where we bring water out from a pot or anything. That is called the way where we pour. That is called as spout. So the teacher took her hand and kept me under the spout. As the cool stream gushed over on one hand, she spelled into the other the word water. She spilled the water on her hand. When she is feeling that coolness, then teacher has written on another hand W-A-T-E-R. Understood? First slowly, then rapidly. First she wrote W-A-T-E-R. Then she wrote rapidly. I stood still, my whole attention fixed upon the motions of her fingers. So, the girl was very silent. She was only concentrating on the sense of what the teacher was writing on her hand. So, how the fingers are moving on her hand. I stood still, my whole attention fixed upon the motions of her finger. Motions means how the hand movements of the finger. Suddenly I felt that I had remembered something that I had forgotten. So immediately she got something into her brain that something what she has forgotten. Somehow the mystery of language was revealed to me. The secret of the language came to her brain. I knew that WATER meant the wonderful, cool something that was flowing over my hand. So immediately she understood that what is flowing on my hand is WATER. That living word awakened my soul. That water is flowing on another hand and on another hand teacher is writing. So immediately she thought that, oh, this I have to, the soul which was in deep sleep, it awakened. She wanted to learn something. There were barriers still. So barriers means there are obstructions in the middle to learn different things. It is true, but barriers that could in time be swept away. See, when we try, whatever barrier it may be, even the highest, we say that the highest peak is the Mount Everest. So Mount Everest, many people thought that we can't climb it. There are people who climbed it and proved that it is also possible. So whatever barriers we think those are barriers, they appear as barriers. If we try, we can solve them, we can jump from them and we can overcome those things. I left the well house eager to learn. So she moved from there because she learned WATER, the liquid form, what is the cool thing that is falling on her hand. Everything had a name and each name gave birth to a new thought. So whenever she is learning a new word, every word has given her a new birth. She is learning everything. As we returned to the house, every object which I touched seemed to come alive. So she felt of learning new things. So she went into the house. Everything what she is touching, it is giving that it is alive. That was because I saw everything with a strange new sight that had come to me. So we said that by touching the water, her soul has awakened. Now when she is touching each and everything, now she wants to know. With lot of interest she is touching and she wants to know more about that thing. On entering the door, I remembered the doll I had broken. As soon as she entered the door, she remembered that I have broken the doll. I felt my way around and picked up the pieces. She felt once she turned everything, she was feeling what is there. She bent and picked all the fragments, pieces of the doll. I tried to put them together but failed. See, when we have eyes, if we break anything, we can't keep it together. But she is blind, but she tried to place everything, but she couldn't make the doll again. I realized, then my eyes filled with tears. So she felt, her eyes filled with tears because a good object, to make it is difficult, to break it is very easy, isn't it? So she was crying that she couldn't make it. I realized that what I had done, and for the first time I felt repentance and sorrow. Till then she didn't have any sorrow, she didn't have any regrets. If anything is done, she used to think I have done it. But now she was feeling very bad that why did I break the doll? Why did I throw the doll? So now she started thinking. Now she has some emotions started with the things. I learned a great many new words that day. So when the teacher is always, any teacher, she wants to teach the students. If the teacher thinks that I have to teach, it doesn't reach the students. The students also should think that I have to learn a new thing from the teacher. When students have interest, definitely teachers will be teaching you. Here, teacher has tried so many days, so many times, but the student didn't. When the student wanted to learn, then she started learning many things. So the change has to come from the students. So here the student changed, she wanted to learn. From then onwards, without stopping, she learned many words. I do not remember what they all were, but I do know that mother, father, sister, teacher were among them. The remaining things what she had learned, she doesn't know, but she knows father, mother, sister, teacher, words that were meant to light up my world and make it come alive. These are the people in her life. father, mother and the teacher and sister. These are the people who enlightened her life, who has brought light to her world. It would have been difficult to find a happier child than I was as I lay in my bed at the close of that eventful day and realized the joys it had brought me. So, when she understood the joy of learning from that day, everything was happy since. She was saying that a happiness came into her life from the day when she wanted to learn things. And for the first time longed for a new day to come. Every day she used to think that I have no eyes. Why another day? I don't want to live, she used to think. But the day when she started to learn new things, she was waiting for the another day. Our teacher went, again when will she come? I have to learn new words. So understood children, when we think that happiness comes from the words that we do. So if we do the best words, it gives happiness to you and to your parents and to the society. So start learning good things. Whatever your teachers and parents say, you have to listen to them. If you listen with interest, everything appears to be interesting. Okay? Thank you.